folks, Joe Emanuelli, Managing Broker, Trace Amigos Realty Group, Playa, Hermosa, Costa Rica. If you like this video and you're watching on YouTube, click the like button. If you'd like to receive more of my videos, click the subscribe button down below. Thanks a lot. Well, today's topic is about maintenance of air conditioning systems. As you can see behind me, I'm in my personal home, and every 3 months I have the service technicians come out to clean the filters, clean the drains, clean the fins to make sure that my ACs are working to perfection. The worst thing you want while living in Costa Rica and owning a property here in Costa Rica is a hot day and all of a sudden your air conditioner is not working, right? So doing basic preparation and maintenance on your units will make them last a lot longer and will also keep your electric bills down because it's not working as hard with clogged filters and so on. So I just wanted to share this little information with you. If you have any questions about air conditioning, I could always recommend Arias Air Conditioning. Those are the guys up behind me that do my work. They've been doing my ACs now for over 14 years. I'm very happy with them. Fair price, great service, and when you schedule it, they're there on time. So if you have any questions, please feel free to send me an email to jaaechef@gmail.com, and I look forward to seeing you down here in Costa Rica soon.